First, when user click the vision and mission, then it should scroll down and go to here, right?
Yes, let me send you the text you're changing it to.
There are a tab, so we should not need here any tab.
The client section is there already. You scroll down.
This, right?
Yeah, yes.
And this one.
No, it's not there. It's not there. We'll change the name of that to this one. It was on the homepage, so you could. What we'll do is we'll just copy it and paste it in this about us.
So why our need the about us? We can delete the about us and only should keep the text. And we can set here 3 button. When click the button, then open those. Right? We not need for now about us.
Yeah, the whole page. Scroll down to that client. Let me show you something before you go. Yes.
Okay.
Yeah. So you see this tab under here, right? Yes. So there are a few of these clients here that are under different categories. Let's take telecoms, for instance. Yeah. Telecoms, you have this Huawei, Microsoft.
Open the bank and finance, then should only show the bank and finance, right?
Yes,
When tech
yes,
and media, then should the tech and media, right? And when
yes, that's
the
correct.
this one, then
Consumer.
it should okay. So something we
Yes,
can do, we can put on one extra section. It's called like all clients, and we can keep
yes,
those other, right? So
yes,
this is the
that's perfect.
so okay, no problem. So we should testimonial.
Yes,
We
yes,
should copy from here, right? Okay.
yes, this one.
Okay. So I totally understand the this page about us page and
So you should do the same thing.
okay. So board of director, they are board of director
Yes,
and our management team, they are management team, right? Okay. So okay. So we also keep the 2 button here and only keep the text here. And second
okay, so let's
one,
go to financials.
financial, right? Okay. So
Yeah,
yeah.
same thing here.
Okay. Okay, so when click here, then it should go to here, and when click
Yeah,
investment, then it should go to here, right? This is the problem that I should fix.
yes, yes.
Okay, don't worry
Mm.
about it. I will fix as soon as possible. Okay.
Oh, thank you so much.
Okay. Thank you so much for joining us.